Hey there, future champions. Today, I want to talk to you about something we have all experienced at some points in our lives and are still experiencing. That is exam anxiety. It's that flutter in your stomach, those sleepless nights, and those self doubting thoughts that creep in when you are gearing up for a big test. Let me share a little secret with you. Some of the most successful people in the world faced exam anxiety too. That's right. From Thomas Edison to Albert Einstein, they all had moments of self doubt and fear. But they didn't let it define them. Instead, they turned it into a motivation. Think about it. When Edison was inventing the bulb, he failed over 1,000 times, but he didn't give up. He famously said, I have not failed. I have just found 1,000 ways that don't work. That's a spirit we need to embrace during our exams. Now let's talk about the power of preparation. When you are well prepared, the anxiety starts to lose its grip on you. Remember, the harder you work, the luckier you get. It's not just about acing the test, it's about developing discipline and resilience. As Vince Lombardi once said, the only place success comes before the work is in the dictionary. I want you to imagine the moment when you walk out of your exam room with your head held high, knowing you gave it your all. The feeling of accomplishment is worth every ounce of the effort you put in your studies. Don't let anxiety steal that from you. Remember what Muhammad Ali said. I hated every minute of training, but I said, don't quit, suffer now, and live the rest of the life as a champion. So, my fellow warriors, as you face those exams, remember that you are strong, capable, and destined for the greatness. Embrace the challenge and let it transform you into the best version of yourself. Keep believing in yourself, keep working hard, and remember, success is just around the corner. Now go out there and conquer those exams. The world is waiting for your brilliance.